Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to show you the new Google Pixel 3. It has been spotted by /leaks. I can confirm that the buried within the current Android P beta settings is Google showing the functionality using a new phone design, which would be an absolute game changer. Let's look at it, guys. As you can see, the image shows a truly bezel-less device. No bottom chin, no notch, just the slender, consistent rim of the phone all the way around the display. If this is the Pixel 3, then Google will be the first mass market smartphone maker to essentially reach design perfection. Crucially, Google has formed here. Last year, Google released its data transfer tool, and the animation showing how to use the feature included an unrecognized smartphone design, which turned out to be the Pixel 2 XL. Fixed its mistake and was able to quickly update the app in the Play Store to use a more generic design. But it did not make such an easy change to its Android P beta without releasing a new version that is not scheduled for several months. Needless to say, the image raises as many questions as it answers. If this is the Pixel thing, then where is Google hiding the front-facing camera? Has it mastered the under-display technology multiple manufacturers, including Apple, before it opted for the notch? Or could it follow an existing example and use a pop-up front camera? We don't know. And what about the dual stereo speakers? Will they move to the top and bottom edges? And yet, perhaps the most exciting thing about the design Google has shown us in Android P is it already exists in a commercial phone. The Vivo Apex will be ready, and Google has much deeper pockets than Vivo to mass produce it. Furthermore, the obvious question to ask is, if this is not the Pixel 3, then why would Google choose to illustrate the functionality of its next generation operating system with a device which looks nothing like the Pixel 3 its launch on, which would immediately make the new Pixel look outdated? That makes no sense. I know. Besides, it's just Google which has made the mistake of accidentally leaking images of its upcoming phones in pre-release software. Apple did the exact same thing last year, filling its HomePod beta software with iPhone X Pro 6 months ahead of its unveiling. What were they used for? Yes, illustrating functionality. Of course, it makes sense at this stage to remain cautious. Such a radical design would send shockwaves through the smartphone world, and only last week, our sources said Google's foot, based on historical precedents, it looks like Google may well have moved into something far ambitious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.